It's finally a new episode. We have Algodoo caring on him. Look, I feel like I just showed up. It's 100 for the racks. It's on the coolest video. We have this guy looking amazing. The unique one. 110 bullet. Now this is so cool. The characters look amazing. It's like an overall the before one. Or in if you don't know. Yeah. This guy is basically the Novum Flink Tillian, the epic guy ever. He's covered in blood, 100 centimeters. Okay, guys, I messed up. Sorry. 1 second. It's supposed to be. I skipped too far. Seven, four. Giving out 1, 7, and a 7. Now it's actually perfect. Okay, so we have like 84, 87, 99, 94. Like how many zeros they have. This like it used to only be the 120. Now you have a lot of more people. Quintillions. Oh, I like this guy. I see the number 9. This guy looks like something. Now we're gonna go boom 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 mode. Okay, now you boom boom boom. Well, what do we do? Boom boom boom. Did you set a bomb? Wait, where is where is it? Boo. Oh god. Action loaded. What you overwater or something? It's funny on how we got a clump of characters. I'm a robot filled water. Oh. Hello guys, I am 129. Fine, 129. No, what did you do to the stack? What is this? Ow! I am actually a weird guy. I was scared that I'm gonna send it. Wait, where did I go in expansion? I killed him. Oops. Wait, what's going on? Ew. 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 This is Dominic's question, really. Ew. Ew. Oh god. Ew. That's already 64 AM 190's. Oh wait. Oh god. Now here we go. Loosen. Loosen. Oh heck no. Wait. Oh. 2-minute expansion. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is there so much white boxes are there? Oh my god. Oh my god. Get these out of here. It's lagging. Look at. Oh my god. I am being British. What is going on? Stop knocking us out. Oh my god, get these out! Are you even gonna care? Get it out! Wow! Guys, stop knocking people out! I know there's all of this, but don't knock people out, please. Bro, you know, there's a lot of people in our way, and we have to also throw out these trashies. Get these trash out of me! Oh look, it's an invisible too! Oh my god, it's a big 120! Oh! Oh! Well, what is oh. Well, what is going on? I know. Why is there 69,190 billion pieces? Oh! Get these pieces off me! Damn, ugh. Wait, what? Oh, I'm 168. But can I clear it off? I want to see the moon, not like cheese blocks. Yep, yeah, they're cheese. Ow! Oh, no. Oh. No. I literally there. What you did it? What did I do? Sorry, I forgot the intro again. Well, I guess we're gonna play the outro. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who do you need to know? I don't know. Wait for me, guys!